Assumption students, today we are discussing about the basic science skill. This is your first chapter, and first of all I will define the science. What is science? Process of knowing world. You should know the world by using your observation, predictions and the measurement. We define the science as process of knowing world by using your observation, predictions and the measurements. We can see that about the science, when we see something, we ask question about that thing, we are testing on that thing. Science is usually used to explore the world. Science involves trials and errors. Trial and errors mean that they are trying, failing and then again trying. This is called the science involved in trial and error. Trial and errors mean that we are trying, then we are failing in it, and then we again try about any research. Scientists will continue to research and discover secrets of world around us. ये तो हम सबको पता है कि साइंटिस्ट ने continuously रिसर्च करते रहते हैं एंड दे कैन डिस्कवर करते हैं अबाउट द सीक्रेट्स. जो भी दुनिया के सीक्रेट्स हैं वो सारे हमारे साइंटिस्ट जो है रिसर्च के बाद ही उसका फाइनल कोई रिजल्ट होता है. एग्जाम्पल इज वेदर फोरकास्टिंग. अगर हम लोग वेदर फोरकास्टिंग करें तो इसमें भी दे आर इन्वॉल्विंग सेवरल साइंटिफिक टूल्स. In weather forecasting, scientists use tools. The tools are maybe radars, they may be computers, which give the more accurate result. In this topic, we just know about the definition of the science. What is the definition? Knowing the world by using observation, predictions, and the measurement. Second one is we can explore the world through the science. We are testing our ideas. We are asking the questions. Any questions about which we are researching about. Scientific skills are, first one is observation, number 2 is prediction, third one is measurement, and after the measurement we are investigating anything, and after investigation we make the conclusions. Scientific skills are, again I am telling you the scientific skills. Scientific skills are observation, predictions, measurement, investigation, and after investigation we make the conclusions. There are 5 scientific skills: observation, prediction, measurement, investigation. Science includes way of doing daily life activities, what we are doing in our daily life. Number 2, we are observing and recording. जो हम दुनिया में कोई भी चीज़ देख रहे हैं उसको हम ऑब्जर्व करें, उसको रिकॉर्ड करें. आस्किंग क्वेश्चन, कोई प्रॉब्लम है, कोई चीज़ जो आपको नहीं समझ आ रही, वी आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चन अबाउट थिंग. पुटिंग आइडियाज टू टेस्ट, उसके बाद हम लोग टेस्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं. वी आर डूइंग सम एक्सपेरिमेंट्स एंड देन कलेक्शन ऑफ एविडेंस. आफ्टर एक्सपेरिमेंट वी आर कलेक्टिंग सम एविडेंस, and after evidence we can conclude on the result that what is this. We can make a result of this. This is called ranking. Next topic is measurement. What is measurement? It is one of the most fundamental concept in science. It is used to making the correct calculation. From measurement we can make a correct calculation. Without measurement scientists cannot conduct experiment. If scientists are doing experiment, they are using the measurement. Without measurement their result will not be satisfied. Example, if you can measure a milk or petrol, you can measure it in the liters. Again I am telling you about the measurement. It is one of the most fundamental concepts in science. What is measurement? It makes our correct calculations. Without measurement scientists cannot perform their experiments. Measurement is usually in the form of numbers. Example, I am giving you the example. Height, you can measure the height in 190 centimeter. Centimeter is the unit of length. Without unit, that is if you are not using centimeter, millimeters, liters, the number have no value. For example, 1 centimeter, if we are not using the centimeter, this number have no values. So we are using the unit centimeters. Centimeters mean that we are measuring the length. Next one is there are 5 basic physical quantities. We are discussing about the 5 basic physical quantities. That is the length, mass, time, temperature, and the volume. 5 physical quantities are length, mass, time, temperature, volume. You can measure the length by a meter ruler. You can measure the mass with the balance, time with the watch, temperature with thermometer, and volume with the measuring cylinder. Again, I am telling you that there are 5 physical quantities, that is length, mass, time, temperature, volume. We can measure the length by ruler, mass by balance, time by watch, temperature with thermometer, and the volume with the measuring cylinders. The unit of the length is millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. This is the unit of length. Mass is measured in balance, and we can use the unit for this is gram and kilogram. Time is measured in second, hours and minute. Temperature is measured in Celsius, Fahrenheit and the Kelvin. Volume is measured in milliliters and the liters. This is the 5 physical quantities and how they can measure and what is the unit of these physical quantities. Measurement of length. In measurement of the length, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to, if we are in centimeter, then it is equal to the 100 centimeter. When we are measuring in millimeter, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. When we can measure it in meter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Second one is measurement of temperature. The normal body temperature of the human normal body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. So 37 degrees centigrade, Celsius means 37 Celsius, C means Celsius, and it is equal to the 98.6 Fahrenheit. Measurement of time. We can measure the time in hours, minutes and the seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Measurement of mass. We can measure the mass in kg and 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Measurement of volume. We can measure the volume in liters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Next one topic is microscope. Microscope is an instrument used to magnify image of the object. It is used to magnify your image. Microscope is an instrument which is used to magnify your image. Mean कि आपका वो image बड़ा कर देता है, which is not visible to your eye. So microscope is used to magnify image, which the thing which we cannot see with our eyes, we can see it in the microscope. Main parts and the function of the microscope. Main parts of the microscope is eyepiece, objective lens, stage, and coarse and fine adjustment. Main parts are, first one is eyepiece. Eyepiece is the usually present on the top, lens at the top. This is the lens which is at the top. This one is the eyepiece and it is on the top of it. Eyepiece and this is at the top. View image of the object. From this we can view the object. Second one is objective lens. This one is called the objective lens. This one is objective lens, and if this lens is near the object is placed here and it is called, and it is literally near to the object and used to see large size. This is used to see the large size. Stage. This one is called stage, in which slides are placed. Place where glass slides are placed for observation. We can observe by this by placing the slide over here. Next one is coarse and fine adjustment, used to focus the slide. This one is the adjustment. From this we can adjust it to focus slides on microscope, ताकि हमें slide जो है वो focus हो सके light उसकी सही. Again I am telling you the main parts and function. Eyepiece is the first part. Second one is objective lens. Number third is stage. Number fourth one is coarse and the fine adjustment. First one, eyepiece, lens at the top, and it is usually used to view the image of the object. Second one is objective lens. It is lens, that lens is placed near the object, used to see the large size. It is used to see the large size. Third one is a stage. Stage is the place where we can place, where we can put the glass slides over it and then for the observation. And the next one is adjustment, fine adjustment, coarse fine adjustment. It is used to focus light on the microscope. This is the microscope and this is eye lens at the top through which we view the object. जहाँ पे हम लोग किसी चीज़ को व्यू कर सकते हैं. दिस इज आई लेंस. दिस वन इज ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस इन विच ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड यूज टू सी अ लार्ज साइज. यहाँ पे रख के हम लोग इसके इस ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस से हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज़ क्या है. थर्ड वन इज अ स्टेज. दिस वन इज अ स्टेज इन विच वी कैन पुट a glass slide over it. This one is a stage and this one is an adjustment through which we can adjust it. This is the four basic parts of the microscope: lens, objective lens, stage and the adjustment. Next one we discuss about the common laboratory apparatus. Laboratory apparatus are beakers. What are the beakers? Beakers is a glass or plastic vessel used for holding. This is used for the holding of the chemicals or liquids. This is a beaker which is used to hold the liquid. Second one is conical flask. Conical flask is used for mixing and heating and stirring the liquid. It is used for mixing, stirring. This is used for hold the liquid. You can hold the liquid in beaker. This is used, conical flask is usually used for the mixing and the stirring and also plus heating. Tripod stand is used to support plus hold the flask. Beaker is used to hold the liquid. Conical flask is used for mixing, stirring and the heating. This is the shape. Conical flask is this one shape, beaker is this one. Tripod stand mean 3 legs and having used to support and hold the flask or beakers which we place over here. Wire gauze is the use to protect the glass. We can put it over here on the tripod stand to protect it from the flame during heating. We can put this wire gauze into the tripod stand so that we can protect our beakers from the flame.